So Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikanta Das today announced some measures, first to help the banks and also to help the borrowers. So for banks, he has cut the reverse repo rate by, he's cut the repo rate by 40 basis points. And he's cut the reverse repo rate also to 3.35%. Now, the idea is to encourage banks not to park the money in the reverse repo window, but to lend to borrowers. This is very important because banks have been very risk averse and not wanting to lend at all. Even, top quality credit, sometimes companies don't get. Governor Das wants to also encourage banks to lend by, he's allowed the moratorium to be extended, and he's hoping that therefore the NPAs won't bunch up now after 3 months. So he's given borrowers 3 months more to repay all the loans. So he is hoping that that will ease the situation for borrowers. Because now even the interest that accumulates at the end of 6 months, that needs to be paid only by the end of March 31st, that is 2021. The point is that banks must start lending. Otherwise, companies, big, small, won't get loans at all. And their cash flows are severely hampered because they haven't done any business for 2 months. They haven't earned any revenues for 2 months. And in all this time, they're just losing money because they've been forced to pay their fixed costs in any case, wages, salaries, all other overhauling, etc., maintenance. They've continued to incur all those costs. So Governor Das is taking the right steps. In fact, even the line of credit that SIDBI was to give 15,000 crore, which was originally effective only for 3 months, he's rolled that also over. So borrowers will be happy that they've got a 3-month extension. And they have a little more breathing room now to pay back the loans. But I go back to the same point that unless the banks step up lending and they do it very, very fast, it's going to be very hard for the economy to sort of climb out of the rut that it's fallen into. Today, Governor Das made it clear that the economy is going to contract in FY21. He said it would, though he didn't give a specific number, and that's understandable because he doesn't have much data. The year has just started, we're just in mid-May. So he doesn't have enough data on which to come up with a number because we have to wait for some high frequency indicators. We have to see what kind of fiscal stimulus the government is going to give. We need to wait for all that. We need to also see when this pandemic really allows us to go back to normalcy, when it is that we will be able to return. I mean, it may not be full normalcy, but businesses have to, start operating. Though plants have started now, it's very, very low operating capacity. So Governor Das has taken some steps. We need to wait and watch to see whether banks start lending. There has been some transmission, rates have come down, and I'm sure they will drop deposit rates also because they are going to protect their margins. So the minute the loan rates come down, they will promptly lower the deposit rates. Even the savings rate could go down. SBI now pays us only 2.75%. Even that could go down. But that's fine as long as they lend, they make a margin, because right now it's very important that business gets cash flow, they get support because their cash flows are very, very weak.